Hello, business owners and website owners. How would you like to increase your sales by 4,000% here in the next 2 to 6 months? And here's how I can help you do that. I can help you with your SEO on your website and get you number one or number two or number three spot for 20 to 50 keywords on Yahoo, Bing, and Google for your website, which I guarantee, if you target the key phrases right, will drastically increase your sales and the customers coming into your web business or website. Now, my name is Robert Hutchinson, and I own a website design firm called Mindbinding Web Design. Now, my business is located in Yakima, Washington, but I have high-ranking websites in New York, Seattle, and multiple other cities as well too, in Oregon and California as well too. But my main websites that you should research is New York Web Design in Yahoo or Bing, and my website is newyorkwebsitedesign.co. Now that website should be pretty high ranked in Yahoo and Bing. Also, if you type in Seattle Web Design in Yahoo or Bing, my website should also be high ranked, which proves to you that I can get you top placement on page 1 in the search engines. And that will drastically increase your sales when your business locally for the terms in your area will be high ranked. Now also, if you type in Yakima, that's Yakima, Yakima Web Design in Yahoo, Bing, or Google, I am also high ranked. Now, I didn't say Google for New York or Seattle because I need a physical address to get high ranked in those cities, to be honest about it. And I am located in Yakima, so that's why I'm high ranked in Google for Yakima, because I have what's called the Syndication Listings in the search engines for Google for my business in Yakima. Now, if you didn't have syndication listings in a different city, you're not going to get high ranked in Google. And the place that I use to do this is called Yext. That's yext.com. They are a great service provider for getting syndication listings. Now, what is a syndication listing? A syndication listing is something like YellowPages or YellowPages or Yelp, which also can be a good source for your business as well too. If you're high ranked in Yelp, which I do know how to do also as well too in your city, you also can see some good traffic and good results from that as well too. Now let me tell you a little bit more about myself. I have almost 20 years experience doing web design and about 10 years of SEO services or search engine optimization, which is called SEO. I also suggest you check out my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/SEO Services. Matter of fact, if you type this in on Yahoo or Bing, I should be on page 3, 4, or 5 for the term SEO services, which is an extremely competitive term to get high ranked for people. And I had to get over 180,000 backlinks just to get it on page 3, 4, or 5 for the term SEO services in Yahoo or Bing. Now, I am high ranked though for Seattle Web Design, New York Web Design, and Yakima Web Design in Bing and Yahoo, and top placement in Google for Yakima Web Design. Now again, my business is called Mindbinding Web Design. My name is Robert Hutchinson, and I seriously can get you drastic increase, 4,000% ROI return on your money of investment when you go with my services for your business. There's some businesses I've helped in here locally in my area, which was a maid here locally in town. She went from having one person, which was herself, doing maid services for people. I did a little bit of SEO work for her, and now she has 15 employees making $40K a month in sales as far as cleaning houses goes, or cleaning offices and stuff like that too. I also have another website called Yakima Pump and Electric. Now these people came and contacted me, and they did not have a web presence currently, and I'm getting them drastically increase in business, and I've got them high ranked for Yakima water pumps, Natchez water pumps, Sela water pumps, and Yakima electric or Yakima electricians, Natchez electricians, and Sela electricians. I think see electricians in Yahoo and Bing I'm on page 2, but for most of those other terms I got top page 1 placement for that website as well too. Some other websites I've worked on are ranging from Nissan.com. At one point in time in my life, I worked for that website. Now that is a computer company. If you research that, it's not the car company, but they did own the .com, and they used to get like 500,000 visitors a month to that website too. And I helped them start selling car insurance from that website and made them some money. What else could I tell you? I've worked for multiple web design firms throughout my life, here locally in Yakima, and I've worked with multiple different websites in multiple different cities. I guarantee you, people, I can get you results in the search engines. I am probably one of the #1 best web design firms on the West Coast. I seriously know exactly what their search engines are looking for to get your business high ranked with a WordPress website and a good template from themeforest.net, which is a great place to look for templates. And then I can modify the website and get good SEO for your website with targeting the right key phrases and the right sentences in the right places and get good results for your website. Also, if you check free SEO scorecard.com, you can get a good report on how well your current website is doing as far as the SEO goes for that. That's free SEO scorecard.com. Now that's a great website to check how well you're doing your SEO. If you have an 80+ score on that website, there's a good chance you'll probably be #1 ranked in the search engines, which most of my sites do get, to be honest about, by that website score. You can only research one per day though. Now let's say you want to get a good website. Here's some advice I could give you. 1, let me pick the domain name for you. If you don't know what domain name to go with, you want to pick a good domain name targeting your business and your area of business with a good key phrase that markets your business. As an example, I own Yakima websitedesign.com. Now obviously Yakima Web Design would be the best domain name to go with, but that wasn't available, so I bought Yakima websitedesign.com, which targets the terms Yakima Web Design in search engines, and just because it has the 4 extra characters in that domain name, ends up showing high in the search engine results. And also how old the domain name is too plays a factor in this as well too. And if you have an older domain name, it is more likely to get high ranked in Google a lot faster. My phone number is 1-509-910-7727. Again, my name is Robert Hutchinson. I own Mindbinding Web Design. Now, please feel free to send me a text message if you don't pick up the phone call. Send me a text or send me an email at Robbie, that's ROBBY, at websitedesign777.com. And you just send me an email, and I'll shoot you back an email probably within 24 hours or 12 hours or 4 hours or 8 hours. Never know what might happen. And I am pretty busy most of the time, but will answer phone calls and will answer texts pretty quickly. Now, I work all hours of the night, people, so if you're watching this video at 2 in the morning, go ahead, send me a message, send me an email, send me a text. I am likely to respond pretty quickly because I work pretty much all the time. 7 days a week, I'm always working on something, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, my YouTube channel, my Twitter account, my Facebook account, or some other social media marketing platforms that I work on as well too, or web design. Now again, if you want to find a good website design template, check out themeforest.net. They are a great place to buy templates from. Now, the reason you want to go with me to do the website for you after you get a template and have it installed, and I can do all of this for you for a set price, you will start seeing results drastically quickly with these WordPress themed websites. I honestly didn't do any SEO work for one of my last clients, and because of the WordPress site and for how well I can code the text in the site almost instantaneously got high ranked in Yahoo, Bing, and Google for a lot of different terms, which was great, people. And if I get backlinks to that, which is what you need when it comes to SEO or search engine optimization, You want backlinks. SEO is to get high SEO most of the time requires a lot of backlinks, anywhere from 2,000 or 3,000 to 50,000 plus. Yes, on some of my websites I do have 50,000 plus backlinks, and that is not an easy thing for most web designers to do. And I have a great source for that as well too, but you probably have to call me up on the phone for me to talk to you about that, which is kind of one of my trade secrets, to be honest about it, where I get my source for all my backlinks. And I can get your phone ringing off the hook. I can get people coming into your area of business. I can get people sending you emails, and I can get contact forms on your website where they will send you messages once your website's launched and gets high ranked. And again, people, my name is Robert Hutchinson. My phone number is 1-509-910-7727, and I highly suggest you send me an email, contact me by phone, send me a text, leave me a voicemail, and I will get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. And I guarantee you, people, that I can give you a 4,000% increase on your internet sales, or possibly even double, triple, quadruple, I don't know, even times 7 or times 70 the amount of clients you have for your business as far as your work goes. Now, I know that sounds like some dream that you just heard in a message, but trust me, people, there are people that I have worked for, that I've done a little bit of work for, and then they're making 15-fold what they were making before, and had to hire a whole bunch more employees to help them with all the business they were getting. I highly suggest you send me an email. I highly suggest you call my phone. Check out my YouTube channel again. It's youtube.com/SEO Services, and I guarantee you, people, I can get you #1 ranked in Yahoo, Bing, and Google if you give me 2 to 6 months and pay anywhere from, I don't know, from $1,000 to $20,000. Even with $1,000, I can do a lot, but if you give me, I don't know, 2,000 or 3,000 or maybe 5,000 plus, I can show you great, fantastic results with your business. Thank you for listening to my video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.